Choline, though often overlooked in mainstream skincare discussions, plays a deeply influential role in maintaining youthful, firm skin, particularly through its impact on cell membrane structure and methylation pathways. As a vital nutrient involved in lipid metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, and one-carbon metabolism, choline supports several overlapping systems that keep skin cells functioning efficiently, repairing effectively, and defending against the slow march of aging. Foods rich in choline, such as eggs, liver, soybeans, salmon, and wheat germ, offer more than nourishment. They offer a subtle yet sustained form of dermal regeneration from within. One of choline's most direct contributions to skin firmness stems from its critical role in maintaining the integrity of phospholipid membranes. Every skin cell, like all cells in the body, is wrapped in a membrane composed largely of phosphatidylcholine, a choline-derived compound that stabilizes the lipid bilayer. These membranes are not just passive barriers, they are highly dynamic interfaces that control nutrient uptake, waste elimination, and signal transmission. As skin ages, cell membranes can become more rigid or damaged due to oxidative stress, dehydration, and declining lipid synthesis, compromising cellular communication and regeneration. Adequate choline ensures that these membranes remain fluid, resilient, and responsive, allowing skin cells to continue renewing, protecting, and producing essential structural proteins like collagen and elastin. Beyond the physical support of cell membranes, choline is essential for one-carbon metabolism, a biochemical network that governs methylation. Methylation is a fundamental cellular process that regulates gene expression, DNA repair, detoxification, and inflammation control. As we age, methylation efficiency often declines, and this has widespread implications for skin health. When methylation falters, the ability to silence aging-related genes or activate repair and antioxidant pathways diminishes. Choline, as a primary methyl donor, alongside folate and B12, fuels the methylation cycle and helps keep this process functioning optimally. This not only supports overall cellular vitality, but also reduces the burden of oxidative stress and inflammation, two of the primary drivers of visible skin aging. Choline also indirectly influences skin structure through its connection to homocysteine metabolism. Elevated homocysteine levels, a common consequence of poor methylation, have been associated with impaired collagen cross-linking and increased tissue stiffness, both of which can lead to skin laxity and wrinkling. By providing the necessary methyl groups to convert homocysteine back into methionine, choline helps prevent this internal degradation of connective tissue, preserving both elasticity and firmness over time. This effect becomes especially important in individuals with subclinical B vitamin deficiencies or elevated oxidative stress, where homocysteine buildup is more likely. Emerging evidence also points to choline's role in lipid metabolism and fat distribution, both of which impact skin tone and structural balance. Adequate choline helps regulate hepatic fat metabolism, reducing the risk of fatty liver and improving systemic metabolic health. A healthier metabolism means more efficient delivery of nutrients and oxygen to the skin's dermal layers, where fibroblasts depend on these resources to synthesize collagen, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans, all critical for maintaining firm, hydrated, and youthful skin. In this way, the skin benefits not only from choline's direct cellular effects but also from the systemic metabolic harmony that choline helps sustain. Eggs, in particular, offer an ideal delivery system for bioavailable choline in the form of phosphatidylcholine. A single large egg contains over 100 milligrams of choline, primarily concentrated in the yolk, along with other skin-supportive nutrients like biotin, lutein, selenium, and vitamin D. This makes eggs a potent and accessible whole food option for improving skin structure and vitality from within. For individuals following a plant-based diet, soy lecithin, edamame, and quinoa can provide alternative choline sources, though achieving optimal intake may require more careful planning or supplementation. Ultimately, the question of whether choline-rich foods like eggs can improve skin firmness is best answered not through surface-level observation, but through a deep appreciation of how skin health begins at the cellular level. By reinforcing membrane fluidity, supporting efficient methylation, lowering homocysteine, and enhancing lipid balance, choline fortifies the very architecture that gives skin its strength, tone, and resilience. In a skincare world often dominated by creams and serums, choline reminds us that some of the most effective interventions for firm, youthful skin may lie quietly on our plates, rebuilding from the inside out with every bite.